Alrighty, boys, we are back out again. We found a different church this time. Away from people. So, maybe I don't have people shining lights in my face. But I did get a new, gravel. I did get a new tire, so check this out. So we got the new tire on. I actually put that on by hand. It's pretty fun. Got it back down to, seated the bead, got it back down to 10 psi. I think it's actually at 12. Front tire, I've actually never checked the pressure on that one. But we're going to be back out here practicing some wheelies again. So, without further ado, she a grippy boy. Start from a stop. A little bit higher. Just trying some other stuff. I'm staggered again, but I'm sitting down staggered. Staggered's feeling a little bit better now. I'm hitting the brake now. So I'm keeping it open, but now I'm trusting now I can trust the brake because I'm hitting it. Hold on. Yeah, see? I think I'm about to get wheelies right now. Check it out. I'm right there. I'm tickling balance. I'm still chopping throttle. I'm literally right there though. I can feel it. Ah, that wasn't good. Let's try to hold one out a little bit. Ah, shit. Ooh, got a little wobbly on that one. Oh, that was a high one. I pressed the brake that good, that one. I think I'm getting used to the brake, so now I'm not as scared to pop it up high. I think that's the reason why. I think that's the reason why we get used to the brake first, obviously. See, like, that used to scare me. Now I'm swaying back and forth, but at least I'm getting a little bit higher. Alright, a few more. And then we're gonna get out of here because my hands are hurting. See, now I'm getting up there and I can feel it wobbling. Let me make sure I'm centered on the seat. That was a good one. A little chop, a little break, but I'm getting them higher. I'm right there, boys. I'm right there. Soon enough, I'll be wheeling everything. Alright, one more there and one more back. Ooh! That one I did a little throttle brake. Alright.